are you doing? Let's get ready to make some sounds and words. That's right. We're going to do sounds and words with George. Yay! Today, we're introducing the magic box. Ooh, who knows what's in the magic box? I don't know. George doesn't know. Do you know? Let's look inside. It's time to make some sounds and words. Oh boy. Oh boy. I wonder what's in there. I don't know. George is... George. What did you find, George? It's a bear. It is a bear. Can you say bear with George? Bear. Bear. Oh, and he's my little teddy bear. He's got his little Marine Corps shirt on there. Yay! Can we say brown bear? Brown bear. Good job. Say bear. Bear. Good job. All right, let's put him to the side. Let's see what else is inside the box. Oh, boy. Did you say, oh, boy? Say it with George. Oh, boy. Yay. All right, go for it, George. He's looking. I'm looking. He's looking. Say looking. Oh, I think he found something. Oh my goodness, George. What did you find? He found a horsey. He found a horsey. Can you say horsey? Horsey. Say it with George. Horsey. What does the horsey say? Neigh. Say it with George. Neigh. Good job. Did you make the horse sound? I bet you did. Let's try it again. What does the horsey say? Neigh. Good job. We'll put him right here. I wonder what's in the box next. I don't know. Did you say it with George? Say, I don't know. I don't know. Go, George. He's crazy. I'm looking. He's looking. Oh, what did you find next? He found, what is it? It's a kitty. Say it with George. Kitty. What does the kitty say? Meow, 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 meow. Do you have a kitty around your house? You may. Say, meow, 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 meow. Oh, are you imitating me? You are. Say it with George. Meow, 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 meow. Good job. Say, oh, he loves the kitty. I like him too. All right, George, you ready to go back into the box? Yeah. Say it with George. Say, yeah. Yeah. Say, box. Box. Good job. Go, George. Ah. Oh, he's looking. I'm looking. Oh, my goodness, look at it. I'm looking. Okay, George, what did you find? Oh, he's got another animal. What did you find this time, George? It's a piggy. It is a piggy. Can you say piggy? Piggy? Good job. What does the piggy say? What's his sound? Oink, oink, oink. Can you say that with George? Oink, 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 oink. And what is it? Piggy. Good job. You did a good job saying all those words and making those sounds. I wonder what's in the box next. Say it with George. I don't know. Go, George, go. Ah! Oh, wow, that was quick. What'd you find? A mama duck. He found a mama duck. Yeah, he found our mommy duck. And what does the mommy duck say? Quack, quack, quack. What she say? Quack, quack, quack. Good job. Did you say quack, quack, quack with George? And what is it? Say mama duck. Mama duck. Good job. Let's try it again. What is it? Mama duck. Good job. And what's the duck say? Quack, quack, quack. Excellent. I like it. Let's put it to the side. Okay. Uh-oh. Is it magic box time? I don't know. Let's go. Do George. Yay! Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm looking. Oh, what did George find now? It's a fishy. It is a fishy. Do you remember what the fish says? What sound does he make? Because he's under the water, right? So what does he sound like? It kind of like kissy sounds, I guess. Can you make the kissy fish sound? You're so silly, George. What is it? It's a fishy. It is a fishy. What sound does he make? Good job. Did you make that sound with George? Good job doing it. All right, George. Are you ready to look in the box? Yeah! Are you ready to go in? Yeah! Go, 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 go. Oh my goodness. He's up. What did he find? Ooh, what did George find? It's a pretty ball. It is a pretty ball. What does it have on it? Stars? Can you say it, George? Stars. Good job. Did you say star with George? Let's make the S sound like a snake. Are you ready? Star. Good job. Let's try it again. Star. You make it with George. Star. Good job. But what is it? It's a ball, isn't it? It's a ball with stars. Yeah, it's a ball. Ball. Can you say ball with George? Say ball. Ball. Good job. Excellent. Are you ready to go back into the box, George? Yeah! There we go. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh, George, he's crazy. I know. He's like, oh. What did George find now? Oh, my goodness. He found a doggy. He found a doggy. What sound does the doggy make? Doggy says, whoop, whoop, whoop. Well, thank you, George. I didn't even get a chance to do it. Let's say it with George. Can you go, whoop, whoop, whoop? Ready? Do it with George. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That's what the doggy says. It's a what? It's a doggy. Good job, George. It is a doggy. Doggy. Can you say it with George? Doggy. Good job. And what does the doggy say? Whoop, 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 whoop. Good job. Did you make the doggy sound? I bet you did. Are you ready to go look in the box? Yeah! Did you say yeah with George? Say it. Yeah! 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 All right. 1, 2, 3. Go, Georgia! I'm looking. He's looking. Oh, he's got something. Oh, my goodness. What did he find this time? It's a cow. It is a cow. What does the cow say? He says what, George? He says moo. Can you say that with George? Put your lips together, like it's mommy, except the cow says moo. Unlock it. All right, let's do it together with George. Moo. Do it again. Moo. Good job. Did you make the moo sound? And what's the animal? It's a what? It's a cow. It is a cow. And the cow says, moo. Good job. You're crushing it. Yeah, you're doing so well. Are you ready to look in the box, George? Yeah! Say it with George, guys. Say, yeah! 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 Yay! Go, George, go! Woo! Good George. He's in the box. He's like, I'm looking! He's looking. I'm looking! Oh, what did you find? George, did you find something in the map? Oh, uh-oh. Oh, my goodness. What did George find now? It's a blue car. It is a blue car. Everybody knows the blue car, right? Sure we do. And what sound does the car make? Vroom, vroom, vroom. Good job. I think that sounds pretty good. It sounds just like my car in the morning when I start it up. It goes vroom, vroom, vroom. And it's a blue car. Blue car. Can you say blue car? Say it with George. Blue car. He did that so good. Did you say it too? Let's try it again. It's a blue car. What is it? Blue car. Good job. And what sound does it make? Vroom, 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 vroom. Excellent. He did a good job at that. Did you make the sound too? I bet you did. All right. You know what we're going to do. Are you ready for the box, George? Yeah! He's ready. Say yeah! Say it with George, guys. Yeah! And he's uh-oh, what did he find now? He's got another animal. Ooh, this is a farm animal. Oh, the chicken loves you. That's right, it's a chicken. And the chicken says, ooh, did you make that sound with George? Can you say a chicken sound? It's kind of like a buck, 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 buck. You did good. Well, thank you. Your turn, George. Show him how it works. Buck, 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 buck. Chicken. Chicken. It is a chicken. And the chicken goes along the ground and pecks on the ground and gets bugs and stuff like that. Yeah. I know. It's a chicken's life. Uh-huh. And what is it again? It's a chicken. That's right, it is a chicken. And what's the chicken sound? Good job. Did you see that with George? Excellent. Are you ready to look in the box? Yeah! Say it with George. Yeah! Here we go into the magic box. Ah! Oh, he's in there. Ah, look at. Oh, he found something right away. What did he find? Ooh, good job. He dropped it. It's a what? It's a yellow star. It is a yellow star. Ooh, uh-oh, I can feel it. It's a song coming on. A Twinkle Star song. Are you ready? You can sing the Twinkle Star song with George. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Well, George, that was really nice. I think, well, I love you too. I like the twinkle star. I do too. It's a yellow star, isn't it? It is yellow. It is. Good job, George. Are you ready to go in the box? Yeah! Say it with George. Yeah! Into the box. Oh! George, are you safe in it? Is he safe? I'm doing it. Uh-oh. I think George has found something. Ta-da! Ooh, what did he find this time? It's a choo-choo train. It is a choo-choo train. Can you say choo-choo? Oh, that's the sound. I gave it away. Can you say choo-choo? Say it with George. Choo-choo. Oh, you say it so much better than me. I'm not a very good train. You say it, George. Go choo-choo. Are you making the sound with George? Good job. What is it? It's a train. Say it with George. Train. And it says choo-choo. Wow. Did you make that sound with George? Good job if you did. That's tough. Let's do it one more time. It's a what? It's a train. What's the sound? Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Excellent. Wow, you guys are doing so good with the magic box today. I wonder, are you ready to go back into the magic box? Yeah! Say it with George. Yeah! Good job. Oh, ready? 1, 2, 3. He's going to jump, guys. Ah! George. Oh, he's already got something. Amazing. What is it? Ooh. What is that? That's like an ambulance. That's a tough word. Can you try it? Say ambulance. Good job, George. But what sound does it make? I bet we can all make the sound. Can you make the sound with George? Meaner, 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 meaner. That's right. That's really good. Well, that's exactly the meaner, 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 meaner. Thank you, George. He's gonna ambulance. It is an ambulance, and he makes a cool sound, doesn't he? Say it with George one more time. What's the sound? Meamer, 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 meamer. He did good. You did good too. I bet you made that sound. All right, George. Are you ready to go in the box? Yeah! Say George. Yay, George. Yeah! He is ready. 1, 2, 3. Jump in the box. Oh! Oh! And he's out. Look at that. That was fast. What did you find this time, George? It's a man. It is a little man. It's a little Tonka man. He's always in our toy box. I like it. I like it a lot. He's nice. So he's a little man. What's he wearing on his head? It's a hat. Can you say hat, George? Hat. It is a hat. So he says, I'm off to work. What do you think? He's going on. Look, he's got his work clothes on. He might be doing construction because he's got the construction hat. So what does the man say? Off to work. That's really tough. How about bye-bye? Because he's going bye-bye to work. Okay. So the man's going to work. Tell him bye. Say bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, man. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Did you say bye-bye with George? Let's do it one more time. Let's say bye-bye to the man. He's going to work. Bye-bye, man. Excellent. Are you ready to go look in the box? Yeah! Say it with George, guys. Yeah! Box. Good job. Are you ready? You gotta jump in. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh, George. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's got something. George, what did you bring me? It's a baby duck. It is a baby duck. Maybe he goes with the mama. What do you think? Maybe. So it's a baby duck. Can you say that with George? Baby duck. It is a baby duck. Oh, he's so cute. He's a cute baby duck. And what does the baby duck say, George? Quack, 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 quack. Say it with George. Quack, 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 quack. Baby duck, doo 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 doo. Baby duck, doo 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 doo. Baby duck, doo 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 doo. Baby duck, quack, quack. Baby duck, doo 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 doo. Baby duck, doo 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 doo. Baby duck, doo 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 doo. Baby duck, quack, quack. Good job. You guys are doing such a great job. Let's put baby duck over here. And are you ready to go into the box? The magic box. Magic box. All right. Here he goes. I'm ready. What did George find this time? Ooh, it's a bell. You guys have seen this. It's pretty cool. It's a little teddy bear on there. What is it? It's a bell. Say it with George. Bell. Yeah, bell. Good job. And what sound does it make? It makes like a ring, 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 ring. Can you say that? Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Wow, you guys did a good job. Good job, George. Thank you. Let's do it one more time. It's a what? It's a bell. Bell. Good job. Well, thank you. And what sound does it make? Say ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Good job. You made the bell sound. Wow. Are you ready to go into the magic box? Yeah! Say it with me, guys. Yeah! Good job. Into the magic box he goes. Magic box. He's got something. What do you have? Oh, good job. George, you're so crazy. What does he have now? Ooh, what is that? You have these at home. It's a block. Can you say it with George? Block. Yeah, it's a block. And it's got all sorts of colors on it and shapes. And there's a horsey. He's so silly. But it's a block. And it doesn't make a sound. It doesn't make any noise except when it falls down. But it's a what? It's a block. It's a what? Block. Block. Good job. And it's got purple, and blue colors. Good job, George. Thank you. Get your hand out of the magic box, George. Oh, you cannot be sneaking. Sorry. Are you ready to go into the magic box? Yeah, magic box. And he goes. Oh my goodness, George. Oh, what did he find now? Oh, ooh, it's a little sheep. Yeah, it's a sheep. They live on the farm. They do live on the farm. Do you remember what the baby sheep says? He says, ba. Can you say that with George? Good job, guys. One more time. What does the sheep say? Good job. That's really hard to say. And it's a what? It's a sheep. Say it with George. Sheep. Say it again. Sheep. Good job. A really good job. And what does the sheep say? Good job, George. You're doing so good at the magic box. Oh boy. Are you ready to go into the magic box? Yeah! Magic box! In you go, George. Ah! Oh, oh my goodness. It's flying everywhere. George. Oh. Ooh. What did George find? Pizza! Nom, 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 nom. George can't eat this. It's a play toy, but it is pizza. Yum, yum. Ooh, pizza doesn't make a sound, but you do when you see it. You say, mmm, yum, yum. Yeah, I say yum, yum too. Can you say yum, yum? Yum, yum. Good job saying that with George. Can you go, mmm, mmm? What is it? Pizza, pizza. Say it with George. Pizza, pizza. Good job. And it's yum, yum. Yum, yum. Oh, George, right there. Don't eat the pizza. It's not real. Good job, George. Oh, are you ready to go back to the magic box? Yeah! Magic box! Yeah! All right, in he goes. Oh! Oh my goodness, the magic box. Oh, I think he found something. I got it. Well, George, bring it out. Ooh, what did you find? He found the yellow motorcycle. Ooh, that's pretty cool, isn't it, George? I like the motorcycle. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Ooh, what sound does the motorcycle make? Vroom, vroom, vroom. You're so silly. It's a what? Is it a motorcycle? Say it with George. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. And what sound does the motorcycle make, George? Good job. Well, George, you did a great job on that. Can I put that over here? You're so silly. You know, George, I was looking around and I realized we still have a few minutes for the magic box. Are you ready? Magic box! Yeah! Oh! George! Oh! Look what he found! It's a what? It's a froggy! It is a froggy. Oh! He's crazy. He tried to get away. What's the frog say? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Good job. Can you say frog? Frog. Just like the fishy. Froggy. Say it with George. Froggy. And what's the frog say? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Good job. He did a good job. Did you say froggy? Let's try it one more time. Froggy. Froggy. Good job. And what's the frog say? What's he make? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. You did wonderful. And guess what, George? We're out of time. Oh, no more magic box. Well, we can do magic box next time. Yay! Magic box next time too, guys. I like it. You like it. It's fun. It is fun. Practice using your words. Practice making sounds. You can come back and play with George and me. We'll see you next time. Bye. Bye, guys. I love ya. See you later. Bye. Mwah. Bye.